Hello, welcome to Genius Kiddies channel. Welcome to a channel where you'll be learning educative content, basically on mathematics. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you can be receiving content just as we drop. Today in this video, we'll be looking at fractions. Fractions. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole, a part, a portion of a whole, a tiny portion, a great portion of a whole is usually lesser than 1, except it's mixed numbers. Now I'll be looking at types of fraction. As seen on my board, I have the proper fraction. Proper fraction, this is a type of fraction where the numerator is smaller than denominator. We have the numerator as a number at the top, and then we have the denominator as a number down. This fraction means 2 out of 3. It means a particular whole number is divided. Let's say this is a whole number, is divided into 3 parts. So 2 out of it, this is 1 over 3, 1 over 3, and 1 over 3. So we have 2 parts, 2 out of 3. This is a proper fraction. Then we have the improper fraction. In this case, we have the numerator bigger, greater than the denominator. The numerator is bigger. You can see this: 9 over 4, 10 over 2, 15 over 10. You know, the numerator is usually bigger than the denominator. Then we have the mixed numbers or the mixed fraction. In this case, we have the whole number added with a proper fraction, and that is what we call the mixed number. You can see this as 2 whole number, 2 over 5. So those are the 3 types of fractions we have. Now we move on to conversion of fraction. We could convert improper fraction to a mixed fraction, and we could take back a mixed fraction to improper fraction. I will use example to explain this. Now if I have 9 over 2, 9 over 2 converts to mixed. What it means is divide 9 by 2. So I am going to be dividing 9 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So 9 over 2 is going to be 4. 9 divided by 2 is going to be 4. That 4 will be a whole number. Then the remainder, what is remaining, will be my numerator, and the 2 that we are dividing with will be my denominator. Now we can see that 9 over 2 has now been changed to what? Mixed fraction. 4 whole number, 1 over 2. Okay, so we can go ahead and still convert this to what? Back to improper fraction. So I'll take the same example, 4 whole number, 1 over 2. How do I convert this to improper fraction? Just this way. I'll be multiplying the denominator multiplied by the whole number, add the numerator, everything over 2. Multiply the numerator, the denominator, by the whole number plus the numerator, then divide it by, then we have 2 times 4, 8, plus 1, 9 over 2. As you can see, we have our 4.5 back to 9 over 2. Now we can go to another subhead under fraction known as ordering of fraction. Ordering of fraction means arranging fraction in order, either from the smallest to the biggest, or from the biggest to the smallest. Ascending order or in descending order. I have an example on the board. We will be arranging this fraction in order from the smallest to the biggest, in ascending order from the smallest to the biggest. So how do we do this? The very first way to do it, the very first step to take is to find the LCM, the lowest common multiple, a number that can divide each of these ones without a remainder, that each of these can be divided without any remainder. And from the look of things, you have 20. 20 will divide, as in each of these can divide 20 without a remainder. So let's get to it. 20 divided by 5, that's 4. 4 times the numerator, that's 8. Then 20 divided by 4, that's 5. 5 times 3, that's 15. Then 20 divided by 5, that's 4. 4 times 4, that's 16. Then we have 20 divided by 2, that's 10. 10 times 1, that's 10. Now we can arrange. We arrange from the smallest. So we look at our final answer. We have this as the smallest, followed by this. So the fraction is going to be in this order: 2/5, followed by 1/2, followed by 3/4, then followed by 4/5. So you can see it now. We've been able to arrange it in order from the smallest. And if you are told to use this same fraction, this same question, to do from the biggest to the lowest, that is in descending order, it's going to go from this to this to this and to this. That is ordering of fraction. I hope it's clear. Okay, now we've come to the end of this part of fraction. There are still other subheads that you'll see in another video. Please, if you have enjoyed this lesson and you understand the way it is being taught, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment. Try to tell one person to tell another, and you can watch it over and over so that you would understand. Thank you.